Step by Step Guide to Wearing Clothes. Editor Publisher Macanjoni. Firstly, choose the shirt you want to wear. Once selected, stand face to face with the back of the shirt. Then, put your head through the top hole of the shirt. As soon as your head slips through the top hole of the shirt, place the sleeves of the shirt parallel to your arms. It will make it easy for your arms to move through the sleeves. Put your right arm into the right sleeve and the left one into the other. After putting your arms into both sleeves, pull the button of the shirt over your belly. It is very easy, kids. If you are going to wear pants, firstly, pick your favorite color. Then, lie on your back and lift your legs toward the sky to be able to wear the pants. Be ready to put your legs into the pants. Afterward, pull the pants slowly up and to the waist. Make sure you do not fold the pants while putting them on. Pull the pants up over the waist until both sides of the bottom are in balance. When the front part of the pants is at the waist, shake your legs up and down. To get the back of the pants at the waist, lift your hips slightly and pull the pants up. Then you can stand up. Please stand up and stretch the shirt and pants to be neat and tidy. Finally, look in the mirror and smile with pride as you can wear your shirt and pants on your own. Thank you for watching.